See, when the oxygen cylinder pressure is 100 bars, there is low air and oxygen alarm. When the oxygen cylinder pressure is 150 bars, there is low air alarm. The low oxygen alarm indicates the 100 bars is inadequate to meet the ventilator's minimum driving pressure and will cause ventilator dysfunction and also will decrease the oxygen delivery. Sure, the oxygen cylinder pressure is 150 bars because low air alarm means absence of compressed medical air which is expected during transport. Always carry beans and normal oxygen cylinder along with the ventilator cylinder during transport.